Welcome to the future of wood finishing. I've been tinkering with wood for years, but let me tell you, AI is about to change everything we know about finishing.
It's absolutely fascinating how this technology is seeping into every corner of our lives, and now it's knocking on the door of our...
Today, we're going to dive deep into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the wood finishing industry. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride.
You know, AI isn't just some far-off sci-fi concept anymore. It's real, it's here, and it's making waves in industries you'd never expect.
Including, believe it or not, our beloved world of woodworking. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, what exactly is it?
At its core, artificial intelligence is about creating machines that can think, learn, and problem-solve like humans. In woodworking, and specifically in wood finishing, AI is starting to show up in some pretty incredible ways.
It's like having a super smart assistant right there in the workshop with you. One that never gets tired and is always learning new tricks. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI in my workshop? Come on. But hear me out.
AI isn't here to replace the craftsman. It's here to enhance our skills and make our lives easier. Think of it like a really, really smart power tool. You still need the skill and the vision, but AI can help you execute that vision with more precision and efficiency than ever. In wood finishing, AI can help with everything from identifying wood species to predicting how a certain finish will look on a particular piece.
It's like having a master finisher looking over your shoulder, giving you tips and tricks, but without the intimidating presence.
And the best part, it's learning all the time, getting smarter with every project it helps with.
All right, let's dive into project planning. This is where AI really starts to shine in the wood finishing world. You know how sometimes you start a project and halfway through you realize you didn't buy enough stain or you picked the wrong finish for the wood type? Well, AI is here to help prevent those facepalm moments.
With AI-powered planning tools, you can input all the details of your project, and the AI will help you optimize everything. It'll tell you exactly how much material you need, suggest the best finishing techniques for your specific project, and even help you estimate how long it'll take.
It's like having a super experienced project manager in your pocket. Now, this is where things get really exciting. AI isn't just helping us plan, it's actually getting involved in the finishing process itself.
Imagine being able to perfectly match a stain color every single time, or being able to preview exactly how a finish will look.
Igual troc from the crassus, a Lewis from workwear at Sigward your fecal. That's what AI is bringing to the table.
There are now AI-powered color matching systems that can analyze a piece of wood and create a custom stain formula to match any color you want. And we've got visualization tools that use AI to show you a realistic preview of how different finishes will look on your specific piece of wood.
It's absolutely mind-blowing stuff. And wakavorbipiting the art dead at is going stuff. Let's face it, as much as we love woodworking, there are some parts of the process that are just, well, tedious.
Sanding? I'm looking at you. But what if I told you AI is starting to take over some of these repetitive tasks?
I never thought I'd see the day when robots could help me sand. But here we are, and it's absolutely mind-blowing.
We're seeing the development of AI-powered robotic systems that can sand wood to a perfect finish, apply stains and varnishes with... It's like having a tireless assistant who never gets bored, never makes mistakes, and always delivers consistent results.
Now, something that's really close to my heart to sustainability. And you know what? AI is helping us make wood finishing more eco-friendly too.
Deepens. First, by optimizing our use of materials, AI helps us reduce waste. Remember that project planning we talked about earlier?
You know, Holpin 5 that it exempts waste, pulsolite is a barardestant, they're lower grand stats. But it goes beyond
emissions permits. AI is also helping in the development of new, more environmentally friendly finishing products. By analyzing the chemical...
It's like having a genius chemist and an environmentalist working together to make our workshops greener.
Now, I gotta tell you, as amazing as all this AI stuff is, it's not all sunshine and rainbows.
There are some challenges and limitations we need to address. First off, there's the cost. A lot of this AI technology is still pretty new, which means it can be expensive. Not everyone's going to be able to afford an Then there's the learning curve. Using AI tools effectively requires some tech savviness, which might be a hurdle for some traditional woodworkers.
And let's not forget, AI is a tool, not a replacement for skill and experience. It can help us do amazing things, but it's not going to turn a complete novice into a master finisher overnight.
But hey, don't let those challenges get you down, because the truth is, AI is already making a real difference in the wood finishing world.
I've talked to folks who are using AI in their workshops right now, and the results are pretty incredible. There's a custom furniture maker in Seattle who's using AI color matching to perfectly restore antiques, and a production shop in Michigan that's cut their finishing time in half with AI-optimized processes.
In the bodel and not book the wind and passable been in operate cailers. These aren't just big industrial operations either.
I met a hobbyist woodworker who's using AI planning tools to tackle projects she never thought she could handle before.
It's really inspiring to see how this technology is empowering people to push their craft further.
So, where is all this headed? Well, if you ask me, AI is here to stay in the wood finishing world.
As the technology gets more advanced and more accessible, I think we're going to see it become a standard part of every woodworker's toolkit.
Imagine AI-powered smart finishes that can change color on command, or virtual reality systems that let you.
The possibilities are endless, and I, for one, am incredibly excited to see where this goes.
Because at the end of the day, AI isn't about replacing the art of wood finishing. It's about enhancing it.
And there you have it, folks, the incredible world of AI in wood finishing. It's a brave new world out there, and it's one that I think offers amazing possibilities for all of us who love working with wood.
Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, AI has something to offer.
So don't be afraid to embrace it, experiment with it, and see how it can help you take your finishing game to the next level.
Until next time, keep on creating, and remember, Lay Epps, the future is what we make it.